President Sadir Japarov and President of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, hold a private meeting in Dushanbe. Emomali Rahmon stressed that Tajikistan attaches great importance to the official visit of Sadir Japarov and is sincerely interested in the development of bilateral cooperation between the countries. Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan cooperate constructively on a multilateral basis. We are ready to discuss with you the state and prospects of the entire complex of our relations, Emomali Rahmon stated. Sadir Japarov, on his behalf, expressed his gratitude to Emomali Rahmon for the invitation. The head of state noted that the tragic events of April 28 to 30th of this year for the people of the two countries became days of heavy historical trials and sorrow. I would like to emphasize that both sides should not allow a repeat of the armed conflict in the future. The peoples of Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan have been fraternal peoples since ancient times. The Kyrgyz and Tajik have always maintained neighborly, friendly relations, he stressed. President Sadir Japarov expressed confidence that the parties will find ways to resolve border issues by joint efforts. It should be noted that after the private meeting, the leaders of the countries will continue negotiations in an expanded format.